Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a talking avatar in Canva. You can bring your avatar to life with just a few simple steps.
Let's begin by opening up Canva. After you log into your Canva account, choose the Apps tab on the screen's left side of the workspace. In the search box, type DIDAI Presenters. Once found, click on the icon to start the program. In the DIDAI Presenters app, you can upload an image or choose from the many templates. In this example, we are going to upload an image that we created in another Leonardo AI app. If you do not have an image for now, choose from the list of avatars. If you have an image you would like to use, click on the upload icon and browse to where you saved your image. Once you have uploaded your image to Canva, go to the Enter Text section, type in the text you want your avatar to speak in the video. Once satisfied with your avatar, click the Generate Presenter button on the bottom of the toolbar.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on creating a talking avatar in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials.